All right, so now we're going to look at circle graphs. Circle graphs is in statistics and probability. It's our third outcome. And circle graphs are like the pie charts. And they are when data are shown as parts of a whole, where each sector or each pie piece of a circle graph represents a percent of the whole circle, with the whole circle being 100%. So I have my pie chart where each of the sectors represents a different percent. And this is talking about a class's favorite ice cream flavors. So there are 20 students that were polled, and this was the results. Now that we have our circle graph, this whole top section is going to deal with using a circle graph. So we're going to look at the percents, how they relate to fractions and total number of votes. So this whole top section dealing with percents. So we're going to use this circle graph. We're going to try and figure out how many students actually like mint. So mint flavored ice cream, well, we have that at 25% of the kids like that. So how do we go from percent to like total number of kids? We are going to take the percent as a decimal, and we're going to multiply it to the total votes. And remember, total votes is 20, since there's 20 students. And then that's going to give us our number of votes. So let's say we take that mint, 25% people like mint. So that's 25% as a decimal, 0.25, move the decimal place over. Total votes, multiply by 20. So we find that 5 people like mint. Okay, that's one way. Another way is we can go this way. 25%. If we write that as a fraction over 100, that's 25 over 100. If we write that as a fraction over 20, to get it over 20, going this way, we need to divide by 5. Whatever we do to the bottom, we do the top. So then this equals 25 divided by 5. 5, and then that number 5 is the part and 20 is the whole, so 5 goes here because we want to remember, oops, gotta spell it right, that the fraction is always the part over the whole. All right, if you noticed, we have percents for all of the other flavors except for vanilla. So now we're going to look at how to find the percent from the number of votes. So we're going to write the fraction. We're going to do first is we're going to write the fraction. So the fraction is the part of the whole. The part that, like vanilla, was 3 people out of a total of 20. We're going to divide it. We're going to go 3 divided by 20, we'll get a decimal, 0.15. Multiply that by 100, step 3, and we're going to find that 15% are into vanilla. That's their favorite. All right, that's one way. Another way, go down to this chart again. We take our votes. We take our fraction, part of the whole, make it over 100, multiply by 5, 20 times 5, that's 100. Same, whatever we do to the top, we do to the bottom. Whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. Same. 15 over 100, take that top number, get our 15%. Just finish off this table. So if we have 50% here, and we're going to find out how many votes that is, we're going to go this way, same as this example. So we're going to write it over 100, 50 over 100, to go this way, to make it as a fraction of the whole. We're going to look at dividing this by 5. I guess I can write that. Top and bottom the same. 50 divided by 5, 10 over 20. So that means 10 votes, 10%. All right, so that's going to be 10 over 100. Divide by 5, get 20. Divide by 5. Whew, what do we get? Oh yeah, 2. 2 people like strawberry. And I put this total on the bottom here, just so you can see. 100% is 100 out of 100. Out of 20, divide by 5, divide by 5. 20 out of 20. That's the top number still. Total is 20. So that wraps up how to use a circle graph.